Badolato, which is 240 meters above sea level, is shielded by two deep valleys that slowly descend onto the flat coastal terrain. The settlement is split into two halves and has a view of the Ionian Sea. The first is the Borgo, which has maintained its medieval associations nearly entirely, including the dedalus of narrow lanes and modest buildings evoking a precipice. The second is La Marina sul Mare, a contemporary community located within 5 kilometers from the historic district. The first Duke of Calabria, Roberto il Guiscardo, established the Borgo in 1080 AC. The bell tower, which served as a watchroom against pirate raids, and the few remaining fragments of the ancient city entrances, the only remnants of the stone city walls, are evidence that the center was originally intended to be a fortress. This structure, which also goes by the name Torre del Ore, Tower of the Hours due to its bell, separates the settlement into two halves. Locals refer to the right side, which is more exposed to the sun, as Iu Destru, while the left side is known as Iu Mancuso. The great warlord Filippo de Badolato, heir to the illustrious Angevin dynasty, is most likely responsible for the village's name. The Borgo was hardly harmed by two earthquakes in 1640 and 1659, but it was nearly completely destroyed by another earthquake in 1783, along with other communities on Calabria's Ionian shore. Unfortunately, more catastrophes were to come, including a new earthquake in 1947 and flooding in 1951, which prompted national and local authorities to start building homes in the brand new Marina neighborhood. As a result, today's breathtaking Riviera degli Angeli landscape perfectly combines the two souls of Badolato. The town's friendly attitude toward immigrants and refugees, which started in 1997 when the mayor established a welcome center for Kurds, demonstrates how hospitable it is. Since then, the community has continued to welcome immigrants, as well as expats and seasonal residents from Northern Europe who come for the weather, the sea, and the relaxed pace of life. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. There are other churches in the area, but the Immacolata, magnificent stone building on a hill just outside of town that overlooks the sea, is the primary one to visit. It was built in the 1680s. With its wonderful decorations, it is charming and lovely. The women of the town did not want the saint's picture to be sent to Catanzaro for repair, out of concern that it would not be returned. As a result, they occupied the church to prevent its transportation and compelled the restoration to take place there instead. Visit Piazza Castello, a popular meeting place now in front of the historic fortification that served as the town's foundation. There are several cafes and restaurants throughout the city. There are some important dates you would love to be in the city. The first is the town's patron saint day, which is celebrated on November 10 in honor of Sant'Andrea di Avellino. The other is Holy Week and Easter festivities, which include processions and costumes. A confronta is the post-Easter encounter between the risen Jesus and his mother Mary. Try the soppressata and nduja salamis, as the region is known for producing wine, fruit and spicy food.